That's okay, that's okay, just take your time.
The other one's already off?
Yeah, hold on.
Got him? Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
He's going that way.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, he's gonna take off again. Stay by the ledge. Stay by the ledge. Okay. Reel down, reel down, reel down. It's too deep. Just gotta stay out of the ledge, Ricky, because in case he goes underneath the boat. Come on. Reel down. Get him, Ricky. Come on.
Let's go.
Great. That Mad Max, we got the thing.
The other one.
Oh, yeah.
Forward.
Fish on! Fish on!
Fish on!
Oh.
Keep it out to the right. Turn that hand line. Just the left side, no, just the left side. Just the left side. Don't aim the rod at him. Kind of keep your rod up a little bit.
Constant reel.
Not just a bigger.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Good.
Watch out, he will dart for the motor and everything, so. Crank, 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 crank. Once you up to that swivel before we start lifting. Okay, now go to the right a little bit. Stay on the rail, stay on the rail. Keep reeling down. Don't back up. Okay. Yep, lift.
Rick, you pick up to the right. Is there a boat there? Let's go, baby, let's go! You saw my speed, Eddie? I'm right over. I'm right over. We're good.
No, he's still on there. He's still on there. He's just gonna, he'd probably stay right here because he's gonna probably dart. Oh, I missed him. My bad. Pissed him off. Right here, that's where we're at. Keep rolling, keep rolling. He's going underneath the boat.
Okay.
Nope, he darted. Oh shit, come on. Get him. All right, pick up speed. Pick up speed. Man down.
Look at the difference.
Okay, pick up speed, Ricky.
So the lure's up on top and like this. Yeah, it opens. Oh, there it is, there it is.
Freeze full. Oh, nope, nope. What the hell? Yeah. About time.
Why is there not a limit to this?
I should just went
Oh,
slack.
you hit the, no, you hit the drag.
Oh, huh?
You hit the drag.
My bad.
Oh.
What happened? I'm literally just going.
Is it popping out of gear?
I think so. I'm literally, I haven't even touched it. I'm just going like this.
Oh, well, I had to watch an eye on that rod.
Yeah, it is.
It
It
popped
is.
again. See,
Okay.
I felt it. I felt it that time.
Okay. We're gonna have to switch that rod out with something.
I can't. Take it.
Tribute to Rich, baby. Tribute to Rich.
Love you guys. Come on, baby.
Maybe I should put my glasses on. It might help.
There it comes. A little color. Wanna run or what? Let's go.
You guys get that hook out? How's that drag on that blue one? Good? Yeah.
Hey, fish on, fish on.
Oh, the hand line? Oh, no. He's on there. Oh, there he goes. Oh, punch him. Get out there, Ricky. Where's the hand line in? The hand line got hit, but he's going to fish on there. You go a little to the right, just because this one's out further, so take your time, Nick. I'm telling you, it's for real. It's a lot easier.
That's a better reel.
Oh shit, I can't see. Oh, missed him.
he on there?
Yeah, he's on there.
Hell yeah.
Okay, Ricky.
I got one more out here.
You okay?
You gonna throw up?
I hope I don't this up.
Oh, don't worry, don't worry.
Let me at this some. Let me try. Come on, Eddie. You always do it for me, dog. Let me do it
Oh,
for
shit.
boy. Like this way. All right, Eddie. All right, I want you to keep the tip away from the motor. All right, I want you to stay on the rail.
Is that what I gotta do?
Stay on the rail. I got you, bro.
Okay,
Just bring
all
it
right.
up to me.
Maybe rockfish.
Keep reeling.
There is maybe rockfish.
Oh, that's
Oh yeah.
Maybe rockfish.
Come on, big dog.
Oh, the fish?
Yeah. Threw it up. They threw it up.
Did he?
Hi, Ricky.
I got this, bro.
You sure? All right.
Anywhere in the body, really? Or am I aiming for a specific area? He's on.
Oh, he's cutting over. He's cutting over.
Let's go.
Grab it.
Okay.
Yep, this one. Let's get that one back down there. No, not there. He's ready to dart again. He's trying to cut back.
Yeah, you got it, big dog.
Get over here.
There you go.
Oh, something flashed behind him.
You seen it?
Something flashed behind him.
What was that?
Probably another albacore.
There you go. There you go.
That's my boy.
Hell yeah.
All right, pick up speed.
Well, for you,
Six
Eddie.
and 6.5.
All them times, dog.
Good job, brother.
One
Good
time
job.
for my boy Eddie.
Keep your tip more this way, because if he goes for that motor, you know what I mean, your tip's way over here, it's gonna be hard to get back there. Yeah.
I'm gonna step back, start walking backwards.
Keep reeling down more. Stay this way. Okay, lift. Easy, easy, easy.
Got it?
Okay, Ricky, pick us up to speed. You wanna gaff him?
Yeah, go for it.
No.
I don't want to.
Yeah, come on.
I'll use them.
You're doing good.
Yeah,
Stand back to the stand back toward the back. There you go. Come on, boy. Get him, Ricky. Oh. Ricky!
It should have been you, Bob.
Should have been you. Okay, hold it right there. Okay. All right, pick us up some speed. Yeah. Reel down more before you.
Oh, no.
Big boy. All right, give us some speed. Yeah, brother.
Let's go.
That's big boy of the day right now.
Go, baby. Go, dude. Go, baby. Go, baby.
Am I supposed to time the drag a little bit or good? No.
No, you're good.
Hey, he took off.
You're good. You're good.
Oh, my boy got swimming like that. So like that. Big fish on the end of that. Correct. Here, though. Let's go. I know.
Smile for the camera.
See it right there?
I see him. Okay, so go walk to the left for me. Hold on, no, keep reeling until you get to that swivel. Go. Come on, reel. And then lift. Slowly, slowly.
Get his ass.
Okay, pick up speed, Ricky. Up him, Miguel. Another. Right side. Ricky, get back there, Ricky. Pull that hand line and triple.
Hang on, everybody. Hang on. Get that line? Yep.
Oh, this is what we needed. Oh shit, that one right there too?
That one's it right now. I think I'm going under. Which one? This one?
Does this one got a fish too?
Bro, I think you guys gotta go over me.
Hold on.
Am I good?
I got one on the hand line.
You do? Really? Huh? Oh, you did? Nice. You got one line, yeah. Okay, keep going. Ricky, go right. I'm over. Yep. Okay. Sure. Okay, go to the right. Yep. Okay, go. Oh, sorry about that. That was nice. Let's get them all in, boys. I was like, why is this hand line down? Yeah.
Hey, whoever's close in, make sure you guys call it.
Yeah.
I think he's next.
I think I'm getting closer to you.
He's getting closer to me for sure.
I see fish already.
Okay, you take your time because yours further out. But
All right, Eddie. I think we're pretty close in. On that swivel. Good.
I'm waiting for
Come up with yours. Yeah, come left.
and now another one had a hit too.
That's crazy.
Still on, still. Watch out for the. Grab these fish out of the way.
They got one over there too. Looks like it's not.
You need. Let me know. Shit, go to the back of the boat. Go back. Go. Put your rod to the back. Turn. We got to get him in because we're to this boat. Let me know when you see color. Come on, Ricky. I got to get him in.
Trying, dude. Not ready.
You go that way?
Hey, you need me to take the wheel?
Go that way.
Come to the back. Come to the right. Here, grab that.
Go that way or what?
Yep.
Lift that one?
Okay, stay right there. We got to keep them apart.
Okay.
Come back this way. Come back left.
Going back this way?
Yeah.
Break his ass.
Go. Get him in now.
He's still ain't ready, Eddie.
It's all right. It's all right.
Stubborn.
He is stubborn. You need a gaff? Get ready to grab a gaff if you need it for Ricky's.
He's going back that way. No!
That was a big one too. That was a big one. Okay, hold on. Let's get this one in. Relax. Hey! Can you move that way? Fucking guy. Grab that boat. Go to the right, because I don't know what the fuck this guy's doing. Ricky.
Yeah.
Reel in that line, because I don't know. Go to the right. Go to the right.
Dude, seriously?
This guy's looking. He's not even paying attention. No.
Right here, for you can grab him. Sweet.
Damn, dude.
Hell yeah.
So what did we get?
Yeah, dude. There's no question that you want to up. Yeah, let's go. That's the blue thing right there. No, I didn't.
Okay, this is a long leader, so. Oh, he's barely hooked. And it come, look, hook came right out. Oh shit. Okay, back it up. Up, we're on double. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep going, keep going.
You're gonna have to gap him up. I'm pretty far out, but get him under, right? Huh? Under it. Any way you can get him.
Reel to that swivel. So, rods. There we go. That's a nice one, bro. Okay, let me get over there. Here we go. Okay, swing him. Grab this leader. Grab this leader. Pull him. Pull him. Pull him. Come on, back up. All right.
You wanna go for the last one?
All right, pick up speed. Let's go. Go to the right, right. Slow us down a little bit, just a little.
Hold it though.
Keep going, gear, forward. Pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, keep pulling, yeah, keep pulling this rope. You want me to?
Nice one.
Easy, easy. Oh shit, I can't see him, I can't see him. I can't see him. Nope. Oh!
Hey, let's do this. Let's leave that one out. Now, Miguel, let's kind of push this back. Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Get that shit. Got it up. Get it. Wait a minute. Let's get Let's go. On the retreat.
Not here yet. Count them.
Come on, lucky number 20. Let's get it. Come on. Let's get it. If I can gaff it. Okay, easy, easy, easy. He's by the boat. I can't really see him. Hey, man there! Hey, man there! Another 20. That's it, 20, baby. Here, get a picture. You got a picture? He got that thing good.
That's a bad picture right there.
Well, that's all she wrote. 20 beautiful albacore. Don't get any better than that. Look at that. Hey, Mike. Fucked up, bro. Missed out. Killed it.
Missing one, bro.
20, baby. Right there. Look at that bag. We out.